Good morning, students. This is my first video of Chapter 1 Fundamentals of Computer. In this video, you will know the characteristics of a computer. Before that, you must have to know that computers can be seen in every electrical device nowadays, whether it is television, washing machine, watches, mobile phones, and the other electronic gadgets. Evolution of computer growth of the computer industry started with the need for performing fast calculation. The manual method of computing was slow. So attempts were made to develop fast calculating devices. Students, first of all, you have to know what is a computer. Computer is an electronic device which converts raw data into meaningful information. Okay, see, if I'm talking about 2 and 3, these are raw data which has not been processed, but how it can be processed by the help of instruction. If I use plus, then my answer will be 5, my dear. Okay, so in this way, yes, your computer works. Computer has the IPO cycle that I will discuss later on. Okay, so computer is an electronic device, so it has on and off signal, where on indicates 0 and off indicates 1. This is absence and this is presence. Okay, see, your computer has different characteristics. See, first one is your speed. Students, a computer can process data and instruction at very high speed. Okay, a high speed computer can perform, yes, about 3 or 4 million instruction per second. Okay, it depends which type of PC that you are using. As when I talk about the PC, then PC can be classified in 4 ways. That is your, yes, micro computer, that is called desktop computer, mini computer, mainframe, and super. This you compare your PC and the supercomputer. Supercomputer is faster, my dear. It is the fastest computer, okay, through which you can perform many tasks, yes, within fraction of a second. Even you can say nanosecond, you can say. Now, versatility. See, it is the ability, yes, of a computer to do variety of job. Yes, if you are using computer for the education, yes, a field, then it can be for making the project, making, yes, animation to the project, whatever. But when I'm talking about the bank, in bank, there is different use of computer, having the, yes, account of the customers, yes, record of employees. Okay, so it depends on the sector. Okay, next one is the accuracy. So in accuracy, first of all, you have to know what is GIGO. Garbage in, garbage out. Students, if you will give wrong instruction, you will be getting wrong output. Okay, you cannot blame to the computer, because computer will give 100% accurate result if you have given the correct, yes, instruction. If your input is wrong, your instruction is wrong, you'll be getting the other output. Okay, next one is diligence. Next one is diligence. Computer can perform the same task repeatedly. Okay, that means if you have given copy paste, okay, then the same file can be pasted many times. Even in Word, if you have written a sentence and that sentence has to be copied multiple times, it can be. Even the calculation, same calculation has to be done, yes, numerous times. Yes, happily. We can't. We will be getting bored, my dear, if the same task is given to us. Okay. Next one is the memory. Students, when I'm talking memory, then memory is classified in two ways. One is the primary memory, another one is the secondary memory. See, primary memory, then RAM and ROM. Secondary memory, yes, a permanent storage devices. That is your hard disk, your pen drive, CD, DVD, whatever you can say. Okay, so this part also I will discuss in the next video. Next one is your intelligence. Okay, you might heard about the artificial intelligence. The programming is done in such a way that computer itself can take the decision. Okay, whether it is your arithmetical calculations or your logical decision based, yes, work. Okay, where logic is applied. Okay, suppose you have given the two numbers and you have to find out the biggest number. Okay, you have to do a program itself. With the help of program, it will find out which one is the smallest number. Okay, but sometimes when I'm talking about the artificial intelligence, it means that yes, your computer is smarter. It can perform the task. Even robot, you can see whatever you say, a robot will serve you, my dear. Okay, in the restaurant, robots are used because they have, yes, a technology, yes, based program inbuilt in the robot, so that whatever you say, yes, itself robot respond and serve in front of you, my dear. I hope you have understood this topic. Thank you, my dear.